Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, February 10, 2025. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, February 10, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2 PM draw ng 2D Lotto. 3D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong February 10, 2025 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, February 10, 2025. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for February 10, 2025, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, February 10, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.